People will be coming. Thank you so much, everybody joining, and a lot more people will be coming. I think we had 67 accredited investors sign up for this webinar. I do 3 webinars a month, and alternative strategies, tax strategies, and of course, hotels. I'm getting so big in hotels right now. As you know, multifamily is just gone by the, not that it's gone by the wayside, but the interest rates hikes, the insurance, and all these things about the taxes, property taxes, the cash calls left and right. No cash flow is coming, actually. That's why I converted myself into 2 markets, which are doing very well. And we're going to, three actually, oil and gas, 100% deductions. I love that for your W-2 income. The second one is my hotels. As a general partner, I give $1 million. If somebody gives me 500, I give them 500 total deduction back as a general partner in the hotels. It's a everyday business, hospitality anyway, and then senior livings and all that. So thank you so much for joining. It's such a pleasure, everybody who's able to join today. So let's just share and get it started. We have 1 hour, and I would love to give lots of questions. And we got 2 hotels, not one, but 2 hotels. Oh my gosh, it's coming through my ears. I've got so many great things happening in our company. So let's just go right away to our very first one, which is this PowerPoint presentation that, oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, Vinod, I thought my assistant, is Asma here? Asma, are you here? Okay, I
Yes,
apologize,
Vinny, I'm
guys.
here.
Oh, you're here. Can I make you the co-host or host? Let's see. Then you could please take care of everybody. I'll just make you the
Sure.
host, right? Yeah, 1 second. Okay, there you are. Promoted to panelist. I think that's the best I can do, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So you are there. Okay. And then I apologize. I just came from boys' luncheon. We all meet together, 70 years to 80 years, old friends for 30, 40 years. We meet. It happened to be today. So I'm just psyched up to meet my friends and everybody. Life should be fun. Life should be so much fun that every moment we are enjoying. And this is Eventbrite. As you could see, nothing is hidden from me. I started doing it in October 19th, and I've been doing ever since all these webinars. And today is right there. And there it is. Thank you, Asma, for putting this together for me. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Let's just go here,
Thank you,
slideshow.
Vinny.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Thank you so much. My special thanks to all of you taking the time to be with me for 1 hour today. I hope and you will really enjoy the whole presentation. I promise you that. I'll teach you, I'll show you, I'll mentor you. People pay me $100,000 right now for one-on-one coaching classes and sessions. So I do this for free for 3 times a month. And you could always DM me or text me 925-766-3518, my personal text number. And, I'm just a regular guy who has done well. So investor blueprint, cash flows, that's what we're going to talk about. What assets are cash flowing right now, not 5 years from now, not 10 years from now, that lots of syndicators, myself included, I had $325 million loans on my neck right here with multifamily, $325 million loans. And I'm, thank goodness, I've sold majority of them. I have only 2 left, one in Houston, $67 million deal, and almost $58 million deal over there in Austin. Those are the only multifamily I have left. That's it. And then we'll go further into it. Let's just go here. There we go. Hotel, senior livings. Again, I'm just a humble guy. Came from India with $7 in my pocket, and just the life has been good. It's given me the strength. The real estate has given us the strength to really do well for our children going to school, Berkeley, and all this and all that and all. I'm thrilled to be here. Disclaimer: this webinar is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't consider it as a legal, accounting, or investment advice. It's not to represent an offer to sell, even though I'll be sharing 506C is the regulation, the SEC. I teach that. I wrote 3 books. You'll get the books too, by the way. Everyone attending today will get my digital copies of the books, 3 books I have, and also audio copies also for free, just to attend the webinar. The information presented believed to be accurate, and please consult your attorney, financial advisor, CPA for legal matters, no distractions. So I hope you'll really concentrate and write down your questions, because I want to really make it a very personable webinar for you. Please let us know also, if you don't mind, in the chat, as Mike looking at it, your name, where you are from, and if you know me from some other podcast or shows. I do 2 shows a week also. Maybe I think it's over here. Let's just look at it. I'm a mechanical engineer. A lot of excitement. I'll be 73 next month. My wife says, my gosh, every year you're getting older. I said, no, every year I'm getting younger. I have more energy. I have so much energy because I'm so passionate to really bring so many great deals to my investors, accredited investors. So, a mechanical engineer from India with $7, MBA, sold books, Bibles, door to door. It's 80 hours a week. I worked 80 hours. Husband for 45 years, 2 children. Our son retired at 37. Monica is partner in our business, so we're proud to be. And then previous California broker for 20 years, and then bought first family 40 years back, duplex, many single family homes, started 11 companies, and have done 42 successful syndications and funds. I've given as high as 65% per year. I'm declaring it right now. And the least I've given is 8% per year. 8% is my lowest. Usually it's 15, 16 to 26%. Lately, it's been very dry with the cash flow and all those things, with the interest rates and all. You all know that. And podcast hosts of apartment syndication made easy. We came in the top. Oh my gosh, last 2 weeks have been so good for us. Number 4 out of 50, number 11 out of 90 podcasts in this country. My podcast is way up there. Please subscribe to that Abundance Mindset show I do, which is today, this morning live show. I do Thursday 9 a.m. and then Vinney and Bo show. Author of 3 books, general partner, blah 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 blah. This is it. Oh my gosh, I thought maybe you won't have that. We have this slide, so just you can please look for Apartment Syndication Made Easy and Abundance Mindset and Vinney and Bo show and the 3 books and all, and we'll give you the books for free. Just scan this. If you have a phone, just scan that. Or you could go to vinneychopra.com, free benefits / free benefits. Asma, can we please put that also in the next time right up here, so that people
It
can
is
go
on the
to.
last page, Vinity. It
Oh,
is on the
okay.
last
No
page.
problem. Oh, thank you. Thank you. My inspiration is God and my family and charities that we take care of, orphanages and the kids' schools we have built and all over. So we are really, really fortunate that God has given us so much that we are able to give out, like that. So presentation overview, we're going to talk about market, where the market is, where stock market is going. We don't know. I mean, everybody's saying recession is coming. This is having President Trump is giving orders after orders with tariffs. He just did something today for Brazil or something. I mean, it's just don't know. I would take my money out. I'm telling you right now, everybody. Sorry, don't take my advice, but I'm cashed out. I don't want to lose money because I've lost 2 million last year. The key thing is you got to really put the money where you understand that thing. A lot of people know what's stock market, and a lot of people don't. They just look at it. Some news comes that it's going to go up, and by the time they buy, it's already way up. And then when they're not doing well and the stock starts to drop, I've been in that category, by the way. Lost 2 million last year. I'm saying publicly today. Actually, my wife doesn't know that. She's not at home. Oh my God, I didn't tell any family member at all. That's why you know now. Anyway, but the thing is, current trends and opportunity in senior housing and hospitality, we're going to talk about that. But you could get storage units, you could get marinas. I bought a marina in Minnesota, and mobile homes, you name it, car washes. There are so many syndicators and funds trying to get you to give, money and so forth. Please look at the horse, what the product is, and the jockey, who is riding that horse. That's so important. Their track record, how many people are on the top, have they worked together, what's their track record? That's so important. So important. Cash flow fundamentals, revenue streams. It has to be revenues that they give you the cash flow. SEC is coming after, Securities and Exchange Commission is coming after lots of syndicators. I know many of them, because what they do is they raise the money and then they recycle the money back to the investors. What? They take your money and then they're giving it back to you as dividends or cash flows. That's a no-no, totally no-no. That's a Ponzi scheme. So SEC is cracking down and so forth. We have never done that. The cash flow should be from the operation of the asset. That's why it's cash flow, not from the money that they raised from you. Already they say operational budget of 1.2 million, 3 million. I've seen proposals come to me. Anyway, I'm not doubting them, but they should really be careful what they are doing. Community value has to be really there so that it enhances the community value, and the case studies, we'll talk about that. So senior housing, 11,200 baby boomers. I'm a senior now, 72. I'll be 73 next month. They are turning 65. 4,000 people are turning 85 years of age. 4,000. So there is a huge demand for senior housing. I'm promoting, I've been called on these different panels. I'm going to webinars, seminars, whatever you say. And we talk about that because I got into senior housing 7 years back, 7 years back. And I've been building them from ground up. And I built one Punta Gorda for 12.10 million, 12 million 100, sold for 17 million, 16 million 900, and gave our returns, great returns. But then a couple of them are stuck because the banks changed their game after COVID. They are very, very tough to get loans from and things like that. So be careful. But the thing is that the senior housing 21, 23, 24, 24, right there, you could see that. It's just getting higher and higher, the market size in billions of dollars. Key market drivers is demographical tailwinds with the demographic changing, baby boomers aging. I just mentioned limited new supply, rising occupancies are happening, and actually senior living, the occupancies are real. Look at that, 86.5%. Who would not like to be in that business? Tell me. And there is a 1.3 million bed short right now. And as we age more and more and more, there'll be more shortage. I don't know if you have that chart over here or not, but anyway, this chart looks like this. The population increasing, almost 100 million of will be seniors in this country in next 30 years, and then 85 or so years old will be like 20 million. Wow, 20 million people. We are only 6.5 million right now, I think, in the 85 category, but that's going to increase. We'll need so much more housing, products, services, you name it. Trillions of dollars will be spent for seniors. Let's just say that. Renters reporting NOI growth, blah blah blah. All these are great statistics. Let's just say, why invest in senior living and hotels? I've been a proponent of multifamily, almost 8,500 units. I went from a duplex, 14 units, and then 30 units, then 50 units. Now I have 327 units and 319 units right now in Houston and Austin. The key thing is you got to buy it right. You got to buy it right. I've not bought anything for the last 3 years because people were crazy paying such high amount with bridge loans. I knew the downfall is coming. 575 billion with a B, billion, is getting matured this year alone. There'll be so many foreclosures coming. You would not believe. So many equities will be wiped out, totally wiped out. You won't get any penny from the syndicators or funds because they are not able to hold on to their assets. Anyway, resilient assets, both of them are. Hotels have come back after pre-COVID numbers of occupancy. They've come back, even though foreign travel is a little bit limited right now because of tariffs and antagonism and all that stuff. But still, it's a pretty good market. The hotels, especially distressed hotels, bank owned hotels are the best hotels you can ever buy, by the way, right now. And there are lots of them. There are lots of them. Steady cash flow. They will give you cash flow. It's a daily business. I mean, you could change. This is something I would love to share with you. People ask me, Vinny, why you're a multifamily guy? What did happen? And you are into hospitality. I said, you know what? Hospitality hotels are multifamily on steroids. I'll tell you why. Because in multifamily, I used to get 6 month lease, 12-month lease, 9 month leases, and I locked the rent, and the resident came and they paid 1 month, their rent, delinquencies happen, blah, 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 blah. But in hotels, zero delinquencies. Why? Because they pay at the counter. Then they go upstairs or in the same floor and sleep 2, 3, 4, 5 nights. And then new residents come, travelers, and they pay money. You collect money up front. No concessions. Hold on. There are concessions, but the same thing you could alter through AI, artificial intelligence, and otherwise. The rates are 5 rates every night. Every night. The more the demand in that area, the rate goes up 20%, 10%, 15%, literally. So you can control the rents every night. I love that. ADR, average daily rates, occupancy, how many rooms are there, how you're going to be able to occupy them, and buying Marriotts and Hiltons. And I always like to buy the big brands because that really gives you strength to. I bought one hotel for 6 million, Hilton Garden Inn in Texas, sold for 12 million. Before COVID, after COVID, 12 million. Took the profit 5.333 and zero money from our pocket, my partners, and we bought Wyndham Garden for 13.5 million, selling it now for 17.5 million in 2 years. That's 4 million profit from the zero money we invested. From the profit, we bought it, and now we are 1031 again. And you can do 1031, by the way. I interviewed a CPA friend yesterday and a SEC attorney yesterday, also, two of them separately. But he said, Vinny, you could do 1031 till you die. What? He says, yeah, when you die, all the gain, you never pay taxes ever, ever. As you die, your children, heirs, it steps up. The whole properties or whatever you have, they will step up to that level. They pay zero taxes, zero gains tax, but they pay inheritance tax, which is almost 15 million per husband and 15 million right now. So 30 million is passed through without any inheritance tax, which is amazing. That's very, very good. I think President Trump is good for real estate, which we are very, very excited about right now because bonus depreciation is back. Every dollar I spend into the hotels for renovations and this and that, I can write it off that year. That year. Like in one hotel, we are putting $4 million. We're going to write off all 4 million. The hotel is making million two net income by making 4 million negative in the taxation. The whole LLC goes 3 million negative. Wow. And then we put pass-through entity, 70% of that 3 million negative will go to 70%, 2.1 million will go to the investors in K1, minus K1. They will get distributions, cash flow distributions, but their K1 will say passive loss of whatever amount, 60% or 50%. We do cost segregation also, accelerated depreciation. I hope those are not new terms for you. They are really, really strong terms. Always ask your, wherever you're investing money, hey, bonus depreciation, cost segregation, are you doing that? How can I defer? The other very good way to defer, by the way, is through your IRAs, your 401k, your EQRPs, not on the Wall Street. They don't let you. Charles Schwab, Janus, and Janus, Fidelity, T. Rowe Price, even Robinhood, all that. They don't let you invest into, outside the main street. They want you to give them commissions and all those things up there. but then you can self-direct it. Self-direct, it's called, through a custodian like Equity Trust, Premium Trust. You Direct, I think, is another one. Advanta is another one. What that does is you roll over, nothing much, roll over your retirement into checkbook control, it's called. I hope some of you know. If you don't, I hope it's a good nugget for you. You could take your retirement money, invest into real estates, and make your money work 20%, 25% per year. Just sleeping, literally sleeping. I've raised $220 million from my investors. 220 million. People give me. I just raised 500,000 from strangers in the last few days, thanks to asthma. I mean, we have 11,000 contacts, accredited investors in our database. So we give them deals and they just say, Vinny, this is good one. We checked you out. We Googled you. You're, doing it for many years and all that. Anyway, steady cash flow, tax advantages are very important. Multiple revenue streams. You got to build revenue streams with senior living, hospitality, cash flows. Those are the two things that are cash flowing like crazy right now. Base rent for the living accommodations and care services, fees, all that, ancillary service you could do in the senior living, you could add on. Like my centers I'm building right now, average, I think we charge $4,400. That's very cheap. Where I live in Black Hawk Country Club here, outside, I think there is a assisted living, 15,000 a month. $15,000 a month people are paying for assisted living. Memory care, it's 20,000 a month. 20,000 a month. It's mind blowing. It's like this all across the nation, some lower, some higher. So that way, anyway, let's go to cash flow in hospitality sector. Room revenues, ADRs, average daily rates. Like I said, it fluctuates. It goes up and down with the demand and occupancy of the product out there. Food and beverages, great money coming in there. Operational efficiencies. That's what I've done when I bought that 6 million Hilton Garden Inn and sold for 12 million. Efficiency. They were just throwing money away. When you don't have a control of the management company, then they can just spend money like crazy for you, just like it's not their money, right? And then ancillary services, spa treatments, concierge services, the one I bought, Wyndham Garden. We have weddings happening every weekend. 1915 built hotel. It's one of the biggest, nicest hotel downtown called Casa del Mar. Anybody could see that. 165 keys. I own that one. So lease structures and investment impact, triple net leases are amazing. Some of my students are doing right now medical buildings. I just had a meeting with another one. They have almost 37 acres of land, very prime land, right there at Prosper or Princeton. They're just selling it ninefold. Ninefold, they're going to make money, 900%, because they just got few ideas together from my academy, and now they're making so much money. I'm so proud of the students and the investors. Common in senior living, Brookdale and all that, financial impact, managing operating expenses, labor cost, and all. Let's talk about a questions answer right now. Is that okay, Asma? Please.
We have one question.
Okay, yeah.
That is, what type of hotels do you like to buy?
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you asked me that because I'm going to go to that right now. Because is there more also here? Let me go ahead and finish this one. Then I will go, oh, look at the senior livings. I love senior livings. It's so great to see golden years of life, for any culture, any culture. I'm Hindu, but I respect every religion, culture. It's amazing what you can do for seniors. It's mind blowing, totally mind blowing. It's so much fun that you see older people really enjoying their food and the steaks and salmons and what we cook. Our chefs cook in our senior livings. It's so wonderful to see them and the spas, and they come into the movie theater right there with their friends. Certain shows they watch on the big screen, then card room they are, billiard room, library, spas. We build all those in our centers. So anybody needs any information on building your own assisted livings, memory cares, reach out to me. Just DM me or reach out to me. We can spend some time together. I can help you. Hotel communities integration, local partners, event. Let's go to hotels. Okay, case study, Brookdale City. Let's just pass that, pass that, pass that. Tax benefits, great benefits, everything. See, in senior living also, you're furnishing it like a hotel. Literally, it's a hotel for seniors. That's what it is. With a commercial kitchen, everything is depreciable. All this money that we put into it, it's bonus depreciation. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's going to be bonanza for my investors. They will love me. Value add investments, strategic renovations, geography, passive investing, hotels. We're going to talk about passive investing right now. So let's go to the last one. Thank you, Asma. You did such a great job. Oh my God. Let's give
Thank you,
Asma a
Vinny. We
big
have some
hand.
more questions if you want to take them right now.
Yeah, let's do it. Uh-huh.
Okay. So JC is asking, are you raising money, taking investment? Yes, JC, we are
Yes.
raising and taking investment at the
two
moment.
hotels two hotels right now, and you have to be accredited investor. It's a regulation D syndication. Paperwork is all ready, everything is ready, and it has to be verifiable accredited investor, because we are doing 506C, as in Charlie, not 506B. I teach that every day, so this is what we do. Build these. This is built by me right there, right there. I was standing under a tree, 7 acres of land, and three courtyards, swimming pool, putting golf, and inside it's one story, very beautiful. I don't know if you'll have time. This is my hotel. Oh, Wyndham Garden, right there, which I'm selling now. Bought for 13.5 million, selling for 17.5 million, 4 million profit in 2 years. In 2 years, not bad. And then this one over here. And this is, by the way, oh yeah, I would like to invite all of you to please come for free 4 sessions on every Wednesday. I do that every Wednesday, and that's 4 p.m. PST, 7 p.m. EST, 5:30. Oh yeah, 1.5 hour. I teach. A lot of people bring their deals and all that. We analyze them. Any kind of questions you have, no fee whatsoever. You just come. People pay me 100,000 to consult with me now. By the way, so get access to 4 sessions, totally free. Zoom ID is this, which is vinnyzoom.com. What? Right here, Vinny Zoom or Vinny Zoom. Just grab that. And the password, just to let you all know, it's Vinny, capital V, lowercase I, N N E Y. That's the password. We had to do that because some bad people were coming in there and so forth like that. So we don't want it. So I teach with lots of great mentoring, coaching sessions. I've been doing it for 7 years. 7 years I've been doing it. I want to pay forward. I made a lot of money. I don't need to work a day in my life, but I want to give back. I want to give back to the society, to the people who give me so much. And these are the books, by the way. Please go ahead and scan this. You can get all my 3 books: Apartment Syndication Made Easy, $7 to 1 billion portfolio, Senior Living Investing, my latest book, right there in the middle, and Positivity Brings Profitability, another book. And then Academy, if you want, for just $7 or 47. I think we changed it to $47. But you get 174 lectures with all the attachments, everything, for $47. People used to pay me $3,000. Many thousands of people paid me $3,000 for this academy. When I was, like a few years back, then we reduced it down to, now it's 47. Take it away. Okay. Alrighty. Let's just go here. What are the deals? So
Maybe we have
one,
some more questions before we
oh
can move
please.
to that.
Okay. Please. Okay.
Yeah, so Anthony Castillo is asking, how can someone buy a 5 to 10 million property hotel with little to no money? What are the first steps to take with skills, experience, knowledge, and resources?
Okay.
Then we
Very good.
have someone ask, I would like information about building the assisted living slash memory care.
Mhm.
And George Tejada is asking, will these investments be in the Monil fund?
Yes,
And
they will
then
be.
we
This
have
is actually George. Hi there, George. So nice to have you, brother. So we are definitely showing that other one too, which you already decided to invest. I appreciate that very much. The other one is this one. I just got it in the last 2, 3 days. And this is, I would love to talk about too. Sure, sure. Go ahead. Asma, sorry, I cut you off. Huh?
no worries, Maniji. We have one more question. Yeah,
Okay,
buying
let's wait.
pre-existing of new remodel, and then it's 506B question mark. I'm not sure what the question exactly is, but
Okay.
yeah, that's the question.
No problem. No problem at all. No problem. I will answer every single question for everybody. This is my newest one. Friends, again, it's for accredited investors only, and it's a total yield play. Yield play means, you will get every month cash flow put in your bank because this is the one across from MGM, this hotel. I'll show you on the strip right there. Oh, why is it not going further? Okay, I have to go this way. Okay, Monil Investment Group and Honest. Oh, why is that? Okay, Honest Capital are excited to share a high yield fixed income investment opportunity is one of the most iconic locations in the world. Las Vegas just got it. It took us 4 months to get this deal going, by the way. And in this opportunity, we are offering 11% to 12% annual fixed returns paid monthly. So, right from day one, you will start getting cash flows. It's a 3 year hold. I want to say that backed by real operating cash flow property. We are not building, we are not renovating or nothing. It's already $9 million revenues in this hotel already. It's a budget hotel, which is beautiful, grossing, right there in the number one of the top ones in the nation. And it's right there on Las Vegas Strip. Our partner has owned it for many, many years, but there is a mezzanine on this one that is coming a full cycle, full cycle. So cash flow back, not a startup hotel. It's investment backed by 8.8 million revenue. It's actually 9.2 million now. This year we are projecting 9.2 million revenue in this year. And low risk 5.2 million second lien secured by $52 million asset. It's worth 52 million. So we are just raising only 5.2 million. Will be sold out. We have raised 2 million already, by the way. Just to let you know, in few days, we have raised 2 million. Only 3.2 is left. Location, location, location. Opened and operated on the strip, walking distance to the biggest casino and the new baseball stadium. Wow. Look at this stadium. So this 1.75 billion dollar stadium is being built on the former site of the Tropicana Hotel with 33,000 capacity, just broke ground in June 2025. So our hotel is next to this. It's going to go through the roof. You will see that. It's such a secure asset. Can't believe it. Cannot believe it. It's collection six, Las Vegas, 307 units. And first lien is 22 million 498, which we have been paying it all the time, 7.79%. And now we are second lien, 13%. We are getting it. We are paying 11 and 12% and just keeping 1%. That's it. We are giving all the cash flow yield to our investors. Hospitality, 52 million is the current value, occupancy 82%.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Key details and then monthly. So you'll be getting paid monthly on this one. 3 year hold, 100% end of the term. Features, track record, zero missed payments or prior mezzanine debt, exceptional proximity to all the different Las Vegas Stadium and other places ideally located right there. So 100,000, 11% monthly given out and 200,000, 12 months. So 36% for 200,000 for 3 years, and then you get your money back. We're going to refinance it. That's why we are doing it. And then we'll return the money from the refinance because we'll never sell this. We will never sell this asset. It's such a money maker, huge money maker. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful right there. Anyway, so this is one right there. Any questions on this one as I just finished kind of showing you all?
There is
Yes,
one question.
please.
Uh, What is the total LTV on the property?
On the property, it's 52 million. And the loan I just showed you guys was how much, by the way? 26 million, 50%. No, 22 million. 22 million, and it's worth 52 million. So 30 million is the equity, right? Which is owner's equity, and the mezzanine, which is 5.2, we are bringing in from investors' money. So total is LTV means what? It's loan to value. Loan is 22 million, it's worth 52. In this term, Hooters Hotel just sold 2 years back for 74 million. What? I think 74 million. My daughter did some research, all that, right? So it's a LTV of less than 50%. It's for 22. I'm just trying to see that. Where is that? Anybody good in math? Or I don't have calculator right there. It's LTV is the value of the money and how much is the loan. So 22 million divided by 52 million, it's 40% LTV. People buy things at 70% LTV. There is no risk involved whatsoever in this investment right there. Anyway, let's go to the other one. There it is. This is the whole. If you need a packet of this, please tell
Vinny ji, we
Asma.
have two more questions if you want to take them.
Oh, I would love to. Love to. Please.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
so Crystal is asking, so after 3 years, we get our money back and then our part in
Yes.
the deal is over?
Yeah, totally over. Totally over. Exactly. So instead of giving you, I'm so glad you are asking me this question, giving you 6%. People are giving 6% right now. I know my friends are giving 5%, or just looked at another deal. They said, Vinny, for year and a half, no cash flow. Year and a half, no cash flow. Then after that, we'll give you 10%. In this case, we are giving 11% or 12% day one and given out every month because it's cash flowing. See? So we could have done it like, 6% or 5% and not giving you any returns. But my investors tell me, Vinny, I want money today. I'm retired. I'm already done. I need money today. So if I give you 500,000, what will I make? I just had a meeting. I said 36% times 500. How much is that? That's 160,000. He says, what? You're telling me you're going to give me 12 times, that 500,000, which is 60,000. Is it 12 times 5? Yeah. 60,000 a year, it's going to be given to them. 5,000 each month is going to come into their bank account for 500,000 investment, and it's collateralized with the property. So investors' money is not really, out somewhere, and there is no backing, not at all. It's the hotel. They are collateralizing. We are collateralizing because it's a mezzanine debt. Mezzanine debt is right after senior debt, and this property is blowing so much money. I mean, giving so much cash flow. Sorry, that's what I meant. Okay, I do want to go over the next one too, Asma. If I'll forget
Vinny ji, we have
otherwise.
one more question.
Okay, please go ahead.
It's from an anonymous attendee. We don't have your name,
Okay.
sorry.
Oh, sorry, you have to
It
give your
is, are
name.
you looking for accredited investors or are you looking for construction services to create the hotel? Do you
No,
go
no,
over the
no. I don't need.
process of development
No,
as an accredited investor?
no, no,
And
no. I
the
am
another
only
question
looking
from
for
Pralay, I
limited.
think I'm pronouncing your name right. Will there be any ownership after 3 years?
No, zero, zero ownership. Zero. It's a yield play. We are giving you the returns upfront. 12% return, nobody's giving now, unless it's hard money loan with notes and all that, which you could do that. It can be very risky, but we are giving you 12%, 11% on collateralizing with the hotel. So no upside. It's a yield play. We call it. It's a yield play, monthly income play, not the upside. But this one is upside. All right, let's go here. So why cannot not show this overall? I don't know. I don't like it. Okay, there we go. So this is another one, by the way, guys. This is second hotel. We have few minutes left. And this is the one we are buying already, Courtyard Marriott. It's in the best of the best location in Texas. It's in Plano, Texas. And we have raised how much now? We have raised out of 7 million something, we have already raised 5 million 6. I think we are left with only 1.4 million. That's it. All done, all done. And actually, it's a bank-owned asset. We bought it 65% below the replacement value for 14.5 million. 35 offers came. 35 offers came to buy this hotel from the lender, from the bank. And our team, insider access and proven execution gave us the edge because my partner office is 10 minutes away. He has 1.9 billion with a B, $1 billion in portfolios up and down with so many hotels and renovations and all that. So that's why we got it. And we gave 500,000 a non-refundable deposit already. That means if we don't close on this hotel in 60 days, they take our 500,000. I've done that before, by the way. I've given 750,000. One time I gave $1 million non-refundable because I wanted that deal. I really wanted it, and it served me very well, very, very well. The surging demand, limited supply, all that. If you need something, or we'll be also adding value, 3.97 million into renovation asset to elevate this asset from generation 2 Marriott Courtyard, 1998 built, to Generation 6. So 2026 model will be ready next year. It's already built. These are all the pictures, by the way. All these pictures, by the way, they lay depreciation, tax benefits, recession insider, because we are vertically management company, renovation company, everything vertical. We are totally vertically inclined. So we will be doing $4 million renovation. Outside bids were $7 million. So we are saving $3 million to do it in-house. And we have done so many renovations already. We know how to do Marriott renovations and all that. And we got 20-year agreement with the flag after renovation. So next year, our end of next year, will start 20-year contract with Marriott. They have already approved us. So we are very, very excited about it. Anyway, this is inside, by the way. It's a beautiful hotel. Nothing wrong in it. But the management company is very bad, very, very bad. Banks don't know how to manage it. So I look for deals which are mismanaged, which I can buy them cheaper from the. I bought that $6 million Hilton Garden Inn from the auction. What? From the auction, 6 million cash, gave it to them and bought it from BlackRock Group. You all know about BlackRock. I don't know why they couldn't make money. And we took it, sold it for 12 million in 2.5 years, and then took 5.333 profits, bought Wyndham Garden. Anyway, so these are the interiors, what they look like. We're going to convert them into this. Wow, look at this. The whole scheme will be changed. All these lighting fixtures, the beds, the carpet, the fixtures, the furniture, everything will be changed. And the front will be changed from this antiquated 1998 look to new one, new one. That will be just like brand new hotel. That's what we are very, very excited about. So it's going to be a marvelous thing for us and our investors, and it's going to look like that. Oh, by the way, oh, I forgot. This is the new one. So it's going to look a good new feeling of the new Courtyard Marriott, and it's in a beautiful location where Fortune 1000, Fortune 500 headquarters are right around there. I'll show you now before I run over time. We are putting 2 golf swing suites also in this hotel because there is a lot of business travel right there. It's not tourism. Tourism will come, but this is business hotel, and people love to really, companies are downsizing, blah 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 blah. So our occupancy will shot up way high. It's 55% now. It'll go to 58, 59, 60 because we're going to hire 2 marketing. There's no marketing person right now. Nobody's there. General manager doesn't even show up at the property because we are 10 minutes away. We have been there 10 times, 10 times, different times, and talk to the staff and look at their smile, how they behave with the customers. Very bad, totally bad. I'm just going to bash them because that's not how to do the business. So we're going to be leaning out, heads in bed focus. We're going to increase the occupancy. It's cash flowing right now. and we're going to be doing renovations wing by wing. So our hotel will never shut down, never shut down. We'll just do it wing by wing and be all done by the end of 2026 and give our investors bonus depreciation of 4 million, 5 million, whatever it is, negative, all there right there. So that's going to be fantastic. It's a very simple structure, 70-30 split. We are not being greedy or whatever. We could have done 60-40, but 70-30, and then we are giving 70-30, 75-25, and 80-20 split on the cash flows also. So you can kind of see that if anybody's interested, we can definitely meet with you separately, because I like to see you again and get to build relationships. We just raised 600,000 people who just listen to my podcast. I said, what? You want to invest with me just because you listen to my podcast? They say, Vinny, you're so authentic, you're so relatable, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so there it is, property, views, all that, 153 keys, all that stuff. Let me just go quickly, then I'll answer some more. It's how right now. It's a beautiful hotel. Nothing wrong about it. The management is so bad. They should be, I shouldn't say that word, because you're paying 3-4% for managing. But what are you managing if your occupancy is so low? And it should be 70, 80, 90, 80% at least in this area. There are meeting rooms, they're not busy at all, and they don't know how to sell the meeting rooms and all. We know how to sell them. So anyway, so this is right there. And there, I just go quickly. These are the returns, by the way, but we'll share with you again. You get a cash flow of 8% first year, 8.78 second year. This is projected. I just want to say that, not a pref. It's not a pref, but it's projected. You get the actual transparency, our books, our P&Ls, everything. And then 10.53% right there in third year, 12% we are projecting here conservatively, and 13.79% fifth year. So almost 53,000 on 100,000 will be given in cash flow, and we'll be paying quarterly right there. And then when we sell it in 4 to 5 years, we're going to sell it at 29 million. In our underwriting, we did 29 million. You will get your 100,000 back plus 47,000. So total money, you will get 100,841 projected. But then you get more money if you invest 250,000, and you get more money if you invest 500, or if you have some friends together and you come into 1 million together. Some people are doing that, so they will be able to get much higher, percentages and things like that right there. But let me just go one more. Sorry. Let me go last thing, and then I will market overview. This is amazing. It's Dallas Fort Worth, biggest property sales, Fortune 500 companies, headquarters, hosted company, 50 companies right there, and Fortune 1000 companies. That's where the hotel is right there, Plano, Texas. Everything is right on the north side. If you have been there, you will see how much growth is in the north of Dallas. It's just mind blowing. I was there just 3 days lately, and look at that, leading destination for corporate relocations from all over the country. It's so central in the middle of USA, much easier to travel. Regional population increases are happening after Chicago, Dallas. What? New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco is not there where I live, right here near San Francisco, and Chicago, and then Dallas, and then Houston. And then this is a renovated, renowned tech innovation hub. All these things. Look at that. Talent generators, universities are there, aviation, aerospace. They're already building, expanding the new this airport in the north side of Dallas. There'll be 3 airports then, big ones. And not only that, Disney just bought, I think we have a slide on that, digital infrastructure. You could see that all these different digital, what you call it, databases, they are coming all over around there also. So that's a nice one. Global trade is happening from all different countries into the DLF trade right there. So it's a beautiful, beautiful place that is really taken. And we worked 6 months to get this hotel to get contracted. 6 months it took us. So it doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy. So I know somebody asked me, Vinny, I want to buy $10 million hotel with no money down. You cannot buy with no money down, sir. You cannot. You have to have money, investors' money, pool the money. You got to have principals. Nobody will give you loan unless you have some track record. You have to have a property, I mean, the hotel management company. Nobody will sell you a hotel or give you a loan unless you have a partner who has experience, and that's the only way to get a hotel. You cannot do it otherwise. And lodging market, we are kind of giving you in the, if anybody needs this packet, please put your email address quickly. We're going to wrap it up in 8 minutes. If you want this packet, you want to look through it, please show it to your attorney, your CPA, your pastor, your family, your friends, because nothing is hidden. Everything is in front of you. Every single thing is in front. Why it was doing $6 million revenue before COVID, went to only 1.6 million revenue, 1.14, I think I just saw. And then over here went to 2.4, then 4 million, 4 million. It just stayed there. It should be doing $8 million revenue because the location is there. And by putting it into the new what you call it, generation 6, it's going to make money like nobody's business. And we just took it like 70, 70, 75, very conservative. We are very conservative people, our syndicators are fund managers, so we don't go, it could be even 83. We did something at 83%. It was blowing so big. I mean, it could be really literally we worth 36 million. We really believe that. Then our investors will get a lot more money and so forth. Just like we will make more money, they'll make more money too, right there. And then past right there, and we start giving you money right after 2 quarters. 2 quarters, clockwork. It's cash flowing right now, and we're going to give it to you straight from there. And all this. And then meet our partner right there, Dylan. I really want to respect him. He's 44, I think, right now. He started at the age of 17 or 18 into the hotels. That's his company, Galaxy Management Group. And Jack, he's the principal, worth billion, I don't know billion, but multi millions. And portfolio includes ownership of 48 hotels, 1.9 billion, like mine is 1.3 billion. So we are just, matching each other. Completed hotel developments, 203 total hotel projects delivered, fully delivered, including 91 new build hotels, 101 hotel acquisitions. He's building so many. He doesn't partner with anybody. This is the first time he's partnering. We have known him for so long. He's a one-man show. He's been doing all these things by himself. So now we are able to take it to the next level for him. Completed 300 property improvements, blah, 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 and then design preferred developer with Marriott. He's a preferred developer. Hilton's and Marriott's are the ones that we really, really go after. Okay, any questions for me, Asma?
Yes, we have questions, Viniji. And
Okay.
before we take questions, guys, I am putting in the website page for our Hotel Marriott deal. So you can get the investor packet from there. And you can also
Yes.
register in our system if you want to like invest with us or even learn with us. Everything's in there. I have put it in the chat. It's manilinvest.com/hotel Marriott deal. So please click on the link and you will be able to access this packet and even register in our system. Also,
Mhm.
all those people that have sent their emails, I will be exclusively sending all these packets to you after the webinar ends within 1.5 hours when the recording is ready.
Yes.
I will send
Yeah.
everything to
Mhm.
you guys.
Totally.
As for
Totally.
the questions, yeah, so one question is from JC. What is the average vacancy in the area and what is the IR for the hotel right now? Where are you
Very
underwriting
good.
it?
Oh,
And
excellent.
there's another
Excellent.
question.
Mhm,
With
mhm.
investing in the
Let me
hotel, will you
answer
show
this.
me how the hotel is being developed and promise to be partners in other country or
No,
states in New York?
I will not. Not at all. My attorneys, 5 attorneys I have, I built my fortune from $7 to $1.3 billion, actually 1.6 billion. I'm not going to co-sign with anybody. I will be no partner with anybody, just to let you know. Sorry, don't come to me because I have so many deals, guys, with me. So if you want to bring money, 5 million, 10 million, I'll make you general partner in my deals. But I'm not ready to develop no hotel. I have so many distressed hotels right there on my table right now. I can pay 30%, 40%. Why should I build it? Same thing with assisted living. I'm not going to build a single assisted living ever again. There is so many distressed assets right there going in foreclosures, and the seniors are retiring or deaths are happening. There is so much senior living spaces are there. You can renovate, you could just take over and make good value for your investors, yourself, and give great quality product. So don't think about developing. People are in crazy shit right now. I shouldn't use the word shit. They are. All these people who made apartments, they were really big, right? Smiling. They're giving 4 months rent free, 4 months rent free to get people in their apartments. And then the people leave. After 4 months free, they leave. Okay, gone next day. So it's a very bad situation right now. The loans are not approved. The stipulations, the banks are very tight. I mean, I would not do any development. Sorry, that's me. I'm giving you my 2 cents. So don't think about it. I have so many people consulting with me. I tell them after 2 meetings, you are blowing smoke. All these projects, they're not going to happen. You're totally blowing smoke. I tell them. I'm a very straightforward guy. And then somebody had a land, and then there was no hospital nearby. They said, well, I have a piece of land. So what? It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Unless it's conducive and you've done a capture rate study, spent $7,500, let a professional team to do feasibility study of a hotel, feasibility study of a senior living. Don't really go and get millions of dollar loan. No. Okay, please go ahead. Sorry. That's my 2 cents.
Yeah, Vinny, we have two more
Asma?
questions.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, we have. Um, George is asking, will you be using the same management philosophy from Marriott Hotel to be used in the hotel in Las Vegas? And
No.
Anthony is
Oh, yeah,
asking,
we
have
are.
you
We are.
analyzed?
Sorry.
Sorry,
Please let me
yeah,
just answer slowly,
Anthony, it's
slowly.
just the last question, unless you guys have other questions. So Anthony is
Okay.
asking, have you analyzed the vacancy rate compared to other hotels nearby?
Yeah, we have. Don't worry about it. I think the problem is many times we nitpick so much. I'm telling you, if I had to nitpick so much, I wouldn't be where I'm standing today. We have done all those things, guys. We have seen the occupancies. Doesn't matter because it's Las Vegas Strip. It's been giving 8.9 million, 8.8 million in last 5 years. Who cares about vacancy? Don't care. It's a budget hotel. Everybody wants to really cutting down their costs. It's opposite to MGM, next to the stadium being built. What else there? So I think sometimes people overemphasize about all these numbers they heard from other people, coaches. I just say, look at the thing, and I have closed 42 deals from letter of intent to full closing purchases. Why? Because I know what I'm buying. That's the big thing. If you know what you're buying, you've done underwriting, you look through all this. So those questions are very valid questions. I'm not putting you down. We have looked at everything. That's why we are saying it's a 40% LTV or 42 or whatever, and it's 52 million, and it's going to grow in value. Everybody's money scared. Anyway, or what was the other one? Mr. Tejeda. George, yes, brother, same. Our management company is the same, which will be doing the Courtyard Marriott, operations. And as a matter of fact, same company is the one they've been doing it. And my brother Jag owns this hotel. Hold on. This Las Vegas hotel is a money machine, total money machine. He just has that mezzanine loan come due. He says, Vinny, can you help me? Umang, can you help me? He said, sure. Our investors would love 12%, from the cash flow and all that. So yeah, same company will be managing, and my other companies will be same company will be managing our other hotels. We got third, fourth, fifth, sixth. looking at a hotel in Minneapolis, just to let you know, the seller put $49 million in renovations. 49 million. We are trying to get it for 17 million right now. 17 million. And it's very close to the greatest mall in America, or whatever. I've been there, but that's my other deal. Another deal is coming. So there is so many deals are coming. God bless America. Go ahead. Go ahead. Other questions? I think we are over time. 5:02. Thank you so much. If there is no other question, I would love to answer any last question. If there is, please put your
Yeah, there's
email.
one
If
question, last question from Kiran Patel. Are you building any more senior living?
no,
Guys, can you please let
zero.
me know if you can see my messages? It says I am sending it to hosts and panelists. So please let me know if you are seeing my
Oh,
messages in the chats.
sorry,
Just
sorry.
type
Okay,
yes
yeah.
if you can.
Yeah. Hi, Kiran. Kiran Patel. I don't know, maybe I know Kiran or not, but it seems like I might. But the thing is, see, I've been blooded so much with these construction debacles. I'm so upset. It's given me great, I color my hair, gray hairs because of the loans, the lenders, the problems with the city councils and people dying in COVID. I mean, all that crap. So I'm not going to build no more senior livings whatsoever. I'm not going to build any hotels also, ever, ever, because I'm going to buy the ones which are distressed and renovate them, just like this one. I'm going to take it from generation 2 to generation 6. If I can buy that at such a big discount, why should I build it? Why should I build it? It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't. So thank you. Yeah. So no more building. Vinny is totally out of building business.
Yeah, Viniji, you might have to add the links to the chat because I don't have the option to chat with everyone, I think.
Oh,
They're not
oh my
seeing
God.
my
Okay, what should I say? VinnyChopra.com.
vinnychopra.com/calendar.
Okay, okay. Com/calendar. Please do make an appointment quickly if you can. That way, it will get filled up quickly. And then you could also fill out your accredited status form at vinnychopra.com invest, I think. I think it's called
Yeah, it is
invest.
slash invest.
Huh?
And then
Yeah, okay.
vinnychopra.com/free
Com
benefits.
invest, yeah. And then my books, I want to give everybody my books for free, like I promised you. That's Vinny Chopra dot com. I can't spell. Okay, com/free benefits.
Yeah,
Free. Okay, free. 1 second. Free benefits.
VNEFITS.
It's just
Guys, can
coming.
you please let us know in the chat if you can see the links that we are?
Yeah, please give
Yeah,
thumbs up if you're
no
if you're
links are showing here. Yep, there's
Oh,
some
how
issue with
about
the chat.
now?
They can't really see
Oh,
our chats.
I can see my side.
Yeah, it's showing to host and panelists only.
Oh
Sorry,
no.
guys.
Host and pan. Oh, it's my bad, everyone. Oh my gosh. Now can you see everything? Oh
No,
my
Vinny, you have to
God.
send again. You have to send it again because
Oh,
I am not having the option to send it to everyone.
oh my gosh. We need to talk to Zoom. Okay, now everybody should see it. That's my books right there. Everybody, please take that real quickly. And I'll give you the invest one right there also, right
And
there.
for the hotel too, Viniji, I am pasting it here in the chat. You can see it and you can just paste it here
Okay,
again.
okay, okay. There we
So
go.
sorry for the.
Everybody, yeah, right there. Please take these links, guys. We apologize. It has never happened like this before. So there it is, and calendar right there. I'll give you my calendar also. And by the way, you could text me. I'm a regular guy, guys. I just have done well. I'm just a regular guy. You could text me, call me 925-766-3518. Nothing. I will talk to you and give you my honest opinion. Telling a lot of people, saving them millions of dollars because they wanted to come with big plans and everything. I showed them why it's not the best time to do it. Even multifamily, one of my good students just came after 6 years. I had a meeting. He says, Viniji, we have this land, 3.5 million, 10 million, and 4.5 million, and it's going to be beautiful multifamily. I told him, I said, if you want to lose sleep at night, go ahead and do it. He says, "Oh, I
Maybe you should
got your
please
answer."
paste the link for Hotel Marriott too. I have sent it in the chat. You will be able to see it,
Okay,
but they are
I'll do
not
it.
able to see it.
Okay, I'll do it right now. So this is the Hotel Marriott. How about the last one, the Las Vegas one? Please put that
Yeah, we
also.
have that too.
Please
I'll
put
pull the
it
link
right
for that.
there. Thank you. I hope everybody got it. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Just a second,
And
Viniji.
we,
I am putting in the other link as
okay,
well. Please
okay,
give me a second.
okay, sure, sure. Please also put your, because I think the chat, oh yeah, chat didn't work today. I don't know why. Anyway. But do email us or text us and we'll give it to you. We have your email address too because you came through Eventbrite. So we will try to send you all everything that, where is it? Right there. Oh, Hotel Marriott. The other one is not there. Please send
Yeah,
the
Viniji, I'm
Dallas
trying to
Hotel.
locate it. Just a second. I'm sorry, I had it somewhere at hand.
No problem. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Harbana.
Okay,
Thank
I
you.
got it.
Please, okay. Please put your email address now because now everybody can see the chat. Please put your email address quickly
Yeah, Viniji,
before
you
we
can
cut.
send that Las Vegas one too now. I sent it in
Oh,
the chat.
right there. Okay. It says collection 6. Yes, there it is. So please click on that link right there, collection dash 6. And then Marriott, you will get all the prospectus, everything. But we will sell out. We'll be totally sold out by next Friday, just to let you know, because we are sending out to 11,000 of our investors tonight, the same presentation to 11,000 investors. And then on the other side, we have 782 investors who have given me 220 million. So we are sending to them too, by the way. So we are sending both of these tonight. We will be blasting and sending them through emails and then reminding them again. So they just press the button and say, put me down for 100, put me down for 200, put me down for 300. We are done, totally done. So it's first come, first serve always. I have stayed true to that. Even my best of the best investors. One deal I returned $7 million because we were oversubscribed. So we'll put you for the third hotel, which might be coming, but you'll be in the waiting list for that. It's always how soon you reached us and when you committed. That's what, not filling out paperwork or anything like that. That will come afterwards and wiring of the money, of course. But it's when you reached us and you decided to invest, we count you in. That's how we do it. Thank you so much. God bless you. If anybody needs any information, please put your email address right now.
Thank you, everyone. I
Thank
will be
you.
sending the
Thank you.
packets within an hour or two once the
Yeah.
recording
The
is ready.
rendering is
I'll
done.
send the
Yeah.
webinar recording and the hotel
Yeah.
packets with it as well. Thank you.
I appreciate you all very, very much. God bless you. We'll see you in the next webinar. I do three a month, three of them. Always go to vinneychopra.com/events. That's it. Just go to vinneychopra.com/events and you can buy free tickets. We need to get a ticket to you so that we have limited numbers. So I'll just put that also, Asma. You cannot do it, huh? Oh my gosh. This is not good. It didn't happen last time. So events, vinneychopra.com events. Please take that also. And that way you could buy free ticket and join me next time. Thank you so much. God bless you. It was
Thank you,
fun.
everyone. Bye bye.
Really fun.